Finding the best sewing machine for beginners can be a daunting task. For starters, your first machine should have a few stitches and an easy learning curve, while also being affordable, reliable, and lightweight enough to take the groups or classes. We consider quality, features, and value when narrowing down the best choices possible and bring you our top 5 affordable sewing machines for beginners. Number 5. Singer M1500 Sewing Machine. Unlike overly complicated machines that can cause frustration, the M1500 is friendly to those new at stitching while also having some excellent features typically found in more expensive models. This machine has not just 2, but 6 inbuilt stitches. It can also make perfect buttonholes via its 4-step process. In the box are useful accessories such as bobbins, a pack of needles, and a seam ripper. You will also find a zipper and a buttonhole foot. This machine weighs only 12.4 pounds, making it lightweight enough to carry almost anywhere. With a durable metal chassis built to last, a newbie will have an easy time keeping the Singer M1500 sewing machine in tip-top shape. Overall, the M1500 is a very affordable, easy-to-use sewing machine that makes a great starting point for anyone learning to sew. Number 4. Bernette Sew and Go Swiss Design Sewing Machine. The one mistake that most beginners make when choosing sewing machines is going for extra features that become a hindrance to the learning process. Affordable sewing machines for beginners, like the Bernette Sew and Go, are simple in design. This makes them very easy to use. This Bernette machine has a fresh and vibrant design, and it's lightweight to boot. Sewers love Bernettes for their stitching performance and reliability. This makes them a good place to start or a suitable upgrade if you have outgrown that run-down garage sale sewing machine. This affordable entry-level model has an invaluable adjustable stitch length feature, as well as a front-loading hook system and a 4-step buttonhole process. It also has a very useful seam guide, a button sew-on zipper, and a zigzag foot. Also included is a soft cover that protects the machine, a darning plate, and many Bernina needles to get you started. Number 3. Janome 2212 Sewing Machine. A great sewing machine for beginners should breeze through any seam while producing even and uniform stitches. It should bind even the weightiest of fabrics together, yet be very intuitive to use. Is this too much to ask of a value-priced machine? The Janome 2212 is a workhorse which, while mechanical and fairly plain, is reliable and solid. It is so well built that it has a 25-year manufacturer warranty if you purchase it from an authorized dealer. The Janome is an excellent fit for the new tailor and the experienced alike. It does not have the bells and whistles common in more full-featured products, but it does the job and it does it well. It is particularly good with thick fabrics, and while it lacks an automatic needle threader, you will find its manual threading process very manageable. The Janome 2212 sewing machine has a variety of 12 stitches and impressive speed during use. It is lightweight and portable. Beginners will appreciate that it comes with many extras and accessories as well. Number 2. Singer 4432 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. The Singer 4432 has a rightfully earned heavy-duty tag. It has a robust metal frame with a stable sewing platform. This machine is built to last for many years to come. It is also a versatile machine that can handle crafts, repairs, alterations, patches, and more. The Singer 4432 heavy-duty sewing machine's other outstanding features include automatic needle threading and a 1,100 stitch per minute motor. The 4432 is particularly adept at sewing on heavy fabrics, able to handle tough fabrics such as heavy denim with ease. Its powerful motor is also very gentle with light silks and nylons. Although it lacks some high-end features such as automatic buttonhole making or speed regulation, this will encourage strong fundamentals in a newcomer. Also included are a number of useful accessories and a soft dust cover. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Brother CS 6000 Sewing and Quilting Machine. Simply put, the Brother CS6000i is an outstanding machine for beginners. It's a workhorse that can take on a variety of sewing projects and perform well with all kinds of fabrics. While it is a computerized machine, it is very user-friendly. An LCD screen lets you easily select between 60 unique sewing stitches, including several automatic-sized buttonholes and decorative stitches. It also features a top drop-in bobbin, automatic needle threading, and a speed control setting. The automatic stitch setting makes it perfect for all fabric types, and the large stitch variety allows for more creative freedom. One of the best aspects of the CS6000i is its very useful and thorough manual. Whenever you have any questions or doubts, the illustrated manual will guide you every step of the way. The Brother CS6000i is also lightweight and portable. Weighing only 13 pounds and featuring a built-in handle, it's easy to transport to a sewing group or quilting class. Additionally, the hard protective case will safeguard it during movement. This machine will last years of use and is an excellent option overall. Finding the best sewing machine for beginners can be confusing, which is why we are only interested in the best options available for your needs. Any of these affordable options is a quick way to avoid the confusion and begin your journey to sewing excellence.
Now that we've narrowed down our list of the best, which one best suits your needs? If you'd like more details about any of our picks, we've put links to each in the description below. And if you'd like to keep exploring with us, you can take a look at what's next, or check out our recommended video for another countdown that we think you'd enjoy. Until next time, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.